来看美国参议院多数党的领袖舒默带代表团走访上海、北京甲西安。外界认为这抓是咧替拜登甲习近平见面铺路。不过舒默甲中国外交部长王毅见面的时，却直接甲中国洗面。伊批评中国无听以色列颠倒去支持巴勒斯坦，无大国的班。
美国参议院多数党领袖舒默率领跨党派参议员6个人组成访问团，最到伫中国北京甲中国国家主席习近平会面。这是2019年了后，继4年，阁有美国国会代表团访问中国。
中美两国如何相处，这决定着人类的前途和命运。几任总统都讲过，我说我们有1000条理由把中美关系搞好，没有一条理由把中美关系搞坏。
外界期待这次访问会当为后个月拜习会铺路，也毋过美国总统拜登伫后个月伫旧金山举行的 APEC 峰会期间，甲习近平会面表示目前无安排。
There is no such meeting set up, but it is a possibility.
舒默甲同齐去的参议员表示，美国无寻求甲中国发生冲突，也无希望甲中国脱钩，愿意甲中国加强对话沟通。
We made clear we don't think that level playing field exists right now. We need reciprocity. That means that the American companies are able to compete as freely in China as Chinese companies are able to compete in America.
这次访问，舒默也甲中国外长王毅会面，对中国只是简单呼吁以巴双方保持冷静。舒默当面表达不满，伊也敦促中国人民甲以色列人徛做伙，谴责冷烈和恶毒的袭击。
250 young people gathered at a dance, and the Hamas terrorists took machine guns and shot them all dead. I was very disappointed, to be honest, by the foreign ministry statement that showed no sympathy or support for Israel during these troubled times.
中国外交部伫哈马斯犯下暴行了后，颠倒发新文句支持巴勒斯坦独立建国，也讲安尼才会当平息冲突的办法。舒默认为，这并不是大国应该有的态度。公司新闻，陈慧婷编译。